Welcome back to Royal Grand Motors, where passion, craftsmanship, and the love of classic machines come together. Today marks a milestone we've been waiting 6 long months to reach. And now the garage doors finally rise to reveal the Corvette project that has kept us grinding, restoring, and dreaming every single day. This isn't just a car. It's an icon resurrected, a rolling memory of American muscle that survived decades and still stands tall with its sculpted curves, deep reflections, and unmistakable presence. From day one, every bolt removed, every panel repaired, and every chrome detail polished reminded us why restoring a classic Corvette is more than a mechanical effort. It's a journey of patience and pride. This moment feels like opening a time capsule that we've rebuilt piece by piece. As the lights brighten across its newly restored body, we reach a major turning point, deciding the next phase of this build. The big question now is whether to preserve its pure original soul or unleash a bold evolution through a modern resto-mod transformation. Both paths carry weight. Choosing originality means honoring the car exactly as it was meant to be, while choosing modernization means rewriting its destiny with sharper performance, updated engineering, and a fresh heartbeat under the hood. As we walk around the Corvette and take in every carefully revived detail, the gleaming paint, the smoothed panels, the restored interior, we feel the gravity of the decision ahead. Should we upgrade the suspension for tighter handling or stay true to that old-school driving feel? Should we fully rebuild the engine to period-correct specs or introduce modern power and reliability? 6 months of work brought us here. And while the world sees a beautifully restored classic, we see the beginning of a new chapter waiting to be written. With each choice, from stitching patterns to engine tuning, we define the final identity of this Corvette. The anticipation is electric, the possibilities endless, and the next step in this journey promises to be the most transformative yet. These past months have turned this restoration into something deeply personal. More than a build, more than a project. Every early morning polishing session, every late night troubleshooting moment, every vintage part hunted down from collectors across the country added texture to this story. The Corvette's bodywork demanded patience, hand sanding, panel alignment, perfect paint layering, and careful precision that tested both skill and determination. Beneath its flawless surface lies a chassis that has carried decades of history, now strengthened, cleaned, and prepared for whatever future direction we choose. Standing before it now with the scent of fresh paint and warm metal filling the garage, the emotional weight of the next phase becomes clear. This isn't about building a car, it's about shaping a legacy. The next steps will determine whether this Corvette remains a nostalgic time capsule or transforms into a modern powerhouse hidden within vintage beauty. We envision 2 paths, one of authenticity, preserving the original interior textures, period-correct mechanics, and pure analog driving, or another path where we integrate subtle modern comforts, enhanced braking systems, refined suspension, or even a reimagined interior that blends old charm with new technology. The community has been right beside us the whole journey, sharing ideas, debating options, and keeping the excitement alive. Now, with the reveal complete and the Corvette looking better than ever, the future direction depends on choosing the perfect balance between heritage and innovation. No matter which path we choose, the upcoming months promise fresh challenges, long nights, breakthroughs, and victories that will bring this build to its ultimate form. Soon will come the moment when we turn the key